This video clip is a brief overview of the ShareScan Station, which is available throughout the EWU campus. The ShareScan Station is a high-speed network scanner capable of sending documents either directly to email, to a nearby print release station, or to any faculty, staff, or student's netstorage folder. The ScanStation component includes a flatbed scan from glass or a document feeder. That combined with the software better enables the user to build a single document with various types of documents. Information such as file name or complex password entry are easy to perform with a full-size keyboard, mouse, and touch panel monitor. Documents can be scanned to a variety of formats including PDF, Word, Excel, and JPEG for photos. In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan and build a document sent directly to netstorage. The format that I will demonstrate will be PDF. In this demonstration, I'm going to begin with by putting some documents in the document feeder. Come back to the screen. And all of this is a touch screen. I'm going to use the mouse to navigate. So before I click the option that I want to choose here, note that on the left-hand side there are a variety of options. So before you start your scan, you could change the resolution, change the paper type. You can change whether you want it to be full color or black and white. If it's a double-sided document, you could specify that you have a double-sided document going through here. In this example, I will have a single-sided document. So I'm going to use the default option to begin by clicking Scan to netstorage. In order to demonstrate building a document with multiple document types, I'm going to put a book on the scanner and scan a page from that book. So as you can see, the document itself we just scanned in is in the process of being uploaded. The progress is in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. So once this is finished bringing those other documents in here, I will go up and I'll press the Scan More button, which is this button in the upper left-hand corner, and I have a key up on the left to kind of cue folks in on what the buttons mean. So let's just wait for a moment. It'll tell us when we're complete. Just another moment. If you were to do this on a flatbed scanner, I have timed it takes between 3 minutes to 5 minutes, depending on the user's experience per page, to be able to accomplish this task. So this is definitely a time saver. So once again, I'll remind you, I put a book on the scanner, and I'm going to go up here and press Scan More so I can add to this. So directly from the scanner, we already have a 10-page document, and this is going to add an 11th page to the screen. So in addition to being able to preview the documents, being able to scroll through here, I'll show you down here, these buttons here, and scroll through the pages, perhaps maybe even delete a page within a document, or even go up and rotate the document before you send it. The user can also change the default or the document settings. So we chose the option to go to PDF with searchable text on. This is by default. It converts all the image, all the text on it to real text, so it could be read later. Or a user can change it to other formats such as JPEG, Word, Excel. But I'm going to leave it at PDF for this example and move forward with this setting and just hit the next button. The user is automatically prompted with the file name. Click Next. So since this document is converting the text, it's taking a moment to actually process the images. This is what's doing your OCR, or the make the document have searchable text. The final step is the user is prompted for their Eastern credentials. Whether it's a faculty, staff, or a student, you put your credentials. I'm going to use a test account. There's word prediction, so a person can easily find their account in here. An example, I'll just show my credentials for a moment. I could start typing my name, see it pop up on the list and select it, or I could just type in my Eastern username and then password. So for the test, I'm going to do scanstation. Password. And then click Next. Having a full-size keyboard makes it easy for us to type in those complex passwords that change every 3 months. At this point, the user has 30 seconds to decide whether they are done, and it defaults back to the screen, or if they want to choose a new destination and maybe send the existing scan that they just performed to email or some other. After a ScanStation user has successfully submitted a document to netstorage, all they have to do is log on to any computer on campus, whether it's a staff computer or a lab computer. Go to My Computer, go to the N drive or the netstorage home folder, and if this is their first time using ScanStation, it will automatically create a folder called ScanStation Inbox. This is the document that we tested in the previous video. I'm going to open this up. As you can see, this is the document that we had scanned in full color and, more importantly, with full text. So you can highlight text, you can go into a document, and you can find content. So let's just maybe search the word John in this example. So in this case, there was one instance of John. The implications of a searchable document have a lot of applications beyond just searching within a document. If a user wanted to use some more advanced utilities, on all lab computers there's a folder called Universal Access IT, and in here there are a number of tools that help users continue to find other ways to manipulate the information that they've scanned in. So if you're a faculty or staff who's serving a blind person, there's tools that'll help them better be able to read the document called JAWS, or Read and Write Gold is a tool that anyone on campus can use that has a variety of tools for further, suppose the OCR need to be redone, or if they want to scan an entire book or a document directly into an MP3 file, or if they're a low vision user and they need to be able to magnify the document beyond the built-in resources. There are a number of other ways to be able to work with this document.